1.
Hi guys, this is Miss K. Your answers for number 1 are as follows. It asked us to find an inequality that is graphed below. So all you need to do is look at A, B, and C and solve them for X so that you can see what your inequality looks like. If for this question you got that the answers were B and C, you are correct and you can move on to the next question. If you did not, let's review a little bit. So for A, you're going to come over here and you're going to subtract 6 from both sides to get x by itself on the left. So then you have negative 3x is less than 6. When we divide by negative 3, we are left with x being greater than negative 2. Remember, we have to flip the sign when we divide by a negative. So that one does not work. For B, you're going to solve it the same way you just did in the last one. You subtract 20 from both sides, and you're left with 5x is greater than or equal to 10. When you divide by 5, you're left with x is greater than or equal to 2, which does indeed match this graph. Closed circle going to the right are all of the numbers that are bigger than that, so that works. For C, you're going to do the same thing. You solve it, and when we solve, we're left with negative 8x is less than or equal to negative 16. That's after I move the constant. Once you divide by negative x, that sign again flips. So now you have x is greater than or equal to 2. And again, that's going to match. B and C both have the same matching answer. They also are graphed the same. Closed circle, arrow going to the right. That's how I know that the inequalities that make this graph true are B and C. All right, go ahead and move on to number 2.